Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Shazeb Afzal, but my parents called me by my nickname Shazeb.
Okay. How do you spell your name?
I spell my name in this way: SHAHZAIBAFZAL.
Okay. May I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure. Here it is.
Describe yourself physically.
My height is 5 feet 11 inches. My complexion is British. I possess black hair, big brown eyes, and thick eyebrows. Mostly, I wear spectacles on my face and also possess beard. Overall, my weight is 60 kg.
Why you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad because, according to my rumination and opinion, studying abroad helps me to learn new languages, appreciate other cultures, understand way of living in another cultures, and also when I study abroad, I experience different styles of education. That's why, due to above plausible reasons, I want to study abroad.
Will you come back to your country?
Yes, I will definitely come back to my country to achieve to achieve the indispensable goal of my life, that is to become CSP officer in future by qualifying CSS exam.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Mostly, I like to eat pizza because it smells and tastes fabulous, and due to its relishing taste, I like it.
What is your lucky number?
My lucky number is 1, and there are two plausible reasons because that is my lucky number is 1. The first most prevalent reason is that Allah is 1, and the second reason is that I always stood first in the class. That's why my lucky number is 1.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
I like to eat spicy foods because they match with my taste, and I feel relishment and serene by eating spicy foods.
What is your education?
Ma'am, actually, recently I have passed my matriculation and FSC examination, showing unprecedented performance. I mean, securing A+ grades twice.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 7 members in my family, including my siblings, my mother, my father, and my paternal grandmother.
What is your favorite color?
Actually, my preference varies for different purposes. For choosing clothes, I tend to go for a blue, since blue goes well with my skin tone. And for house decorations, I mostly prefer white color, as it creates peaceful vibes for the room.
What do you do in your leisure time?
I fancy to play basketball. It's a good fun and keeps me active and energetic. I enjoy playing as a part of a team, and I always challenge myself to constantly improve my game. Ma'am, secondly, I also listen Islamic lectures and speeches to enrich my knowledge and to increase my vision.
Do you like to spend time with your friends?
No, I don't like to spend times with my friends. I don't relish their company and does not feel any serene and delectation with their company.
How many friends do you have?
I have just one or two friends,
Why?
and they are my bosom friends. I don't feel relishment and delectation with the company of the friends.
What's the name of your best friend, if you have?
I don't regard anyone as my best friend.
Can you tell me something about your hometown?
My hometown is Gujarat. Gujarat is famous for its cultural heritage, food, and natural landscape, as well as fan industry and artificial handicrafts.
Where do you want to spend the rest of your life?
I want to spend the rest of my life in Pakistan, because Pakistan is my favorite country and also my motherland. That's why, due to two plausible reasons, I want to spend my
Are you
time.
married?
No.
Why?
I beg a pardon.
Okay. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring season. There are many reasons that the first most prevalent reason is that in spring season temperature becomes pleasant and soothful, and also Earth's axis is at an angle in between our furthest and closest point from the sun. People say goodbye to the frigid winter and enjoy the transition before the hot summer kicks in.
What is the name of your favorite movie?
Ma'am, actually I do not watch movies. I abhor movies.
Which country have you planned to go?
I have planned to study in Canada because it is my dream to study in Canada. Also, studying abroad, study in Canada helps me to learn new languages, appreciate other cultures, and understand better way of living. That's why I want to study in Canada.
Okay. Now here is a cue card, and describe an possession when you wasted your time.
Time is the most indispensable, precious resource. Due to the despite my best efforts, I wasted my valuable time 6 months back. In March this month, the wedding of my cousin was about to happen. Since I am quite close to him and a bosom friend of him, that's why I took a big break of 1 month from my studies. We went to shopping together to different places to finalize the best wedding dresses for him. I also visit many relatives' home to give them invitation card for his ceremony. All my efforts went in vain when the higher authorities imposed a lockdown in the middle of the March month. The government put a restriction on the number of guests that we could invite for a wedding. Only 20 or 30 guests are allowed to attend the wedding. Hence, the time and energy I used to make his wedding as one of the best weddings went for a toss. So this was the occasion when I wasted my valuable time.
How can we avoid wasting time?
Time is the most precious resource. We must handle it prudently. We can avoid the wasting time by making a timetable and then rigorously following it.
Is time management important?
According to my rumination, time management is indispensable for a person to succeed in the life. Without time management and without making a timetable, a person can never succeed in his life.
Should parents help children manage time?
Yes, parents should help children to manage time. They should make a timetable for the children for their success in the life.
Do you think relaxing is a waste of time?
According to my opinion, relaxing is not a waste of time. When a person is relaxed and he feels serene and relaxation, he is more able to perform his work prudently. And if a person is exhausted and suffered from his work, he will not be able to perform his any work succeedingly. That's why.
Okay, thank you. Nice presentation.